Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, we will be talking about a new addition to IDP, and that is the support for an additional info card under your overview page in all your components. So what is the need for this card is to source information from catalog.info.yaml. Certain informations, key value pairs that are present in catalog-info.yaml could be sourced to this page. Let's say some links and some information like your kind, or let's say under spec, you have certain information you want to view it here. This could be added here. How do we add it is using obviously the layout, and you could see this layout here, which says entity additional info card, which sources all the data from all the root fields of a catalog.info.yaml. What does I mean by root field is this API version, kind, metadata, spec. These all are called the root fields in the catalog info YAML. And any data present under this, let's say I want to display the metadata name here. So I could just add metadata.name and it will display the value under it. And this additional info section is there to help you add certain information that is not available by default under these root fields. And you could, let's say, the own name of the owner, or let's say directly to his Slack account, or any link like profile link, or any other thing that you want to add that is not available here. You could just use this additional info. And this catalog info.yaml doesn't contain the link root field, but that is also supported. And this is how you add the information. Let's say this header item has an icon and a label and a URL that is used to be for that icon that is getting used in the header items. And then under this item, we support these three kinds of values. That is the label for that item and the value of the item. And the value of the item is getting sourced from the additional info. And if we go back and take a look at it, the catalog, so you could see the values and the labels and the values corresponding to that label are visible here. And we have support for link types as well. So the thing that you need to take care here is make sure for any additional info that you add here, the key remains same throughout all the catalog info YAML you add in your engineering org. Because if this there is no value against a particular key, then this our system will throw an error and it won't display the values, because essentially there is no value against the key you have mentioned in the layout. So make sure all the values you mentioned under your layout all are existent in your catalog.info.yaml. So thank you. This is a very helpful thing to quickly fetch information that is available at you, and not do some integration or anything else is required. So thank you. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.